Hi, rKavanaugh here again with BISH'S RV in very sunny Junction City, Oregon. Today I'd like to show you this used 2020 Winnebago Sunstar model number 29V. I love this floor plan. This is all about camping. It's in great shape. Even though it's used, it's beautiful on the inside. It doesn't look like anybody's used it, so it's really in like new condition. The thing I like about this 29V motorhome is this outdoor kitchen. You also have a nice integrated 32-inch TV here for your viewing pleasure, camping outdoor. This is great for tailgating. Look at this. You've got a pretty large outdoor refrigerator for your sodas and adult beverages. You got some storage up here. You got a sink. And look at this. You got a working table with utensils down here, another working table here. This is a great setup for outdoor barbecues and tailgating, or just simply camping at the RV park. Lots of storage on the outside on this model, and it's still a little less than 30 feet. It's a great motorhome. It's a great size. It's a really nice floor plan. So again, this is in like new condition. You have a drop-down bunk just over the driver's space. That's great for kids or passengers. You also have this sofa here, which again breaks down into a bed. You also have this dinette here, which also breaks into a bed. It's a nice brown color. It's very nice. And again, it looks flawless. I don't think anybody has spent much time in this, so it's in great shape. You got this another nice integrated 40-inch TV on the inside here. It's what I think it's at a great viewing angle, so you're not straining your neck with the seats turned around up front. You got the sofa and the dinette here. Lots of people can enjoy watching TV in the evenings, for example. As we move back, you've got a very nice microwave here. 3-burner gas stove. This is a convection oven as well. You got a nice countertop here with a double stainless steel sink, and you have a little pull-out right here. It's very convenient. Lots of storage. And again, you got a nice control panel set up here, so you're not fumbling for where are all the switches. Everything is right here at your fingertips, and it includes a nice solar charger. You also have a nice RV-style refrigerator-freezer combo. You got the freezer up here, refrigerator down there, and this is gas electric, so if you're boondocking, you can run it on the propane gas without being plugged in. You also have the bathroom shower. Have a look. And finally, as you move back to the bedroom here, you have a really plush queen-size mattress and a super plush headboard with lamps up above. It is a great floor plan for reading books, just hanging out, relaxing, sitting up, watching TV on a nice 24-inch monitor here. On the 2020 models, you have these little nook shelves back here up against the headboard. And you can see USB ports and electrical outlets. And you kind of have a secret little storage space back here behind the TV. It's actually pretty deep and pretty big. You could store a lot of things back there. And it's hidden from regular view. So again, this is a very nice motorhome. It's a used 2020 Winnebago 29V. It is immaculate. It's like new. So it's priced at a reasonable price because it's used. But again, it's in like new condition. It's a great floor plan. It's great for families. It's great for tailgating. It's a medium-sized Class A motorhome. Come on out, have a look at this one. Ask for me, rKavanaugh. I'd be happy to show you this motorhome or any other motorhome we have on the lot. So talk to you soon.